most important thing you can do right now is sign up for MEXC. You got giving away $9,100. You must use the link in the description to get half price trading fees. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto almost daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin 4-hour chart still working in this range. The Bitcoin bulls need a breakout to the upside and put in a significantly higher high. So here's your high, your low. This is a slightly higher high. I really want to see a significantly higher high, right? And then a higher low here, which would backtest this level, right? You want to backtest 30,000. And that'd give you a great idea for a drive considerably higher, a push to break 31,800. That's the major sell level for Bitcoin. All the sellers are stacked right at 31,800-ish. So Bitcoin's still under resistance. Bitcoin 8-hour chart, you got your low, high, higher low, higher high, higher low, slightly higher high. Again, this thing punches through. I was in the shower today and I was thinking about crypto, Bitcoin, the SEC, specifically BlackRock funds. And I just want you to think about this with me. BlackRock funds has been called the fourth branch of the government. The United States Treasury borrows money from BlackRock funds. The SEC comes out and they say, well, we want you guys, after BlackRock and 4 other big names filed for spot Bitcoin ETFs, which is a huge catalyst for a huge break to the upside. One of these spot ETFs get approved, life-changing money. This thing is taking off. But my thought process was 10 years ago, the Gemini twins, Winklevoss twins that own Gemini, they filed for the first spot Bitcoin ETF. 10 years have gone by. People say 2 companies own the world, BlackRock Funds and Vanguard. All right, BlackRock Funds is loaning money to the United States government. I mean, you can only think about a phone call to make this happen, this spot ETF. We've got Coinbase to track the Bitcoin so that there's not any manipulation. We're running out of excuses. And really, what else is there? You're going to be able to, they're going to be able to track the Bitcoin that are going to be working in these spot ETFs. That's why everybody immediately refiled, right? They filed and came out and said, well, we want to track the funds. And then they refiled and they said, Coinbase is going to track the funds. This is a huge catalyst for a major bull market. A bull market like potentially we haven't seen before, because you'll have institutions, you'll have obviously a lot more retail, and they're going to FOMO into Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is going to take off, and it's going to be the coin that everyone's going to FOMO into. Okay. So the altcoins will come later, and they'll get dragged higher, but the altcoin season comes later. So I'm just thinking about this idea, and I'm just like, what are they going to come up with next? What can they come up with next to put a spot ETF, Bitcoin ETF off? The most important part of this market when I was new was I had to make a lot of trades because I had to create the capital. I didn't have a bunch of money. You know, I'm buying $50 worth of Litecoin, $50 worth of Ethereum, $50 worth of Bitcoin. And it really just didn't move much, like make $3, $10, $12. Like, it was not exciting. Gem pick bangers are going to take off. You can join CBC Trading Group on cryptorev.net. They're going to take off when the altcoins take off. Bitcoin takes off, obviously, that'll lead them as well. But right now, I've got 2 PayPal spots left. If you want to pay with a card, I've got 2 spots left. They'll fill up in probably 20 minutes, but the leverage trading group consistently is out of control. 84%, 79%, 40%, 40%, 32%, 30%, 30%, 22%, 22, every day. And this is not like, here's your setup, good luck. Most of these are happening on live trades. You have somebody who is a amazing trader, up 50 or 100x, right? And they're telling you, okay, I'm putting my stop loss here. Here's my first take profit, second take profit, third take profit. They'll guide you as the trade. These are shorter term trades, right? They don't take much time, 15, 20 minutes, hour. I mean, just it's not like wait 3 days to make 84%. This can happen quickly. And so right now, this is the money maker. There's a 60% discount right now. If you sign up, just email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com, or you can go to cryptorev.net and change your life forever, period. You need to have a big bag when this market completely takes off. If BlackRock Funds puts 0.005% or 0.0005% of their holdings into Bitcoin, Bitcoin could 3x just off of that, 300% gain just off of that. Mega bull run, possible. I don't know how much they're going to put in. I'm just saying that is, a lot of people talk about a safe investment in Bitcoin is 1% of your portfolio. And so that's a lot less than 1%. So we're not even calculating at that. So just think about where we're at. Bitcoin may not be doing a whole lot, but if this breaks out, you're going to 35,000, 40,000, 45,000, period. This is the Bitcoin 3-day chart. And you've seen, remember, each one of these candles is 3 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Seen 24 days of this baby golden cross, I call it, where the 21, which happened down here, the 21 crosses above the 200. And what happens to the price? Up only, right? It's kind of a precursor to the actual golden cross, which is coming on the 3-day as well, where the red 50 crosses above the 200. I mean, we are at a pivotal point. And then you got Bitcoin halving. So the amount of Bitcoin being produced are going to be cut in half. And Bitcoin will have a halving run up. So main thing is, if you've got a small account right now, you've got to be in the leverage trading groups because we're making a ton of money. The Bitcoin weekly chart, and this is where it all happens. Plan A, you break above this level, you might not even get a bullish retest. It might just close here and then continue higher. But you break out above this level, 31,800, you're going to 35,000, 40,000, and then 45,000. There's even 47,000 if you look at the actual measured move. You head down to the lower trend line here. You want to see a bounce and another attempt at a break of, there's all the sellers are stacked right here. You don't want to get caught in a break to the downside because it would be a disaster for crypto. Bitcoin dominance. The problem with the altcoins is that Bitcoin dominance is headed straight up. If this, and there's some resistance right here, there's some resistance. If this comes down to the lower trend line, you'll see altcoins move a lot better. But do you bounce here? Or do you break down and do you come down and you bullishly retest this and then you come up to 66% or 70% because Bitcoin takes off and Bitcoin's going to steal the show. People aren't going to FOMO into altcoins when Bitcoin's doing huge moves and BlackRock funds spot ETF kicks off, and the money will flow into Bitcoin first. after Bitcoin is done, or as it takes breaks and moves sideways, you'll see the altcoins start to take off. And that's just how the money flow works. But I am so excited to, I mean, just after thinking about it today, like one of these ETFs, probably a lot of these ETFs that are using Coinbase to track the coins, to track the Bitcoins, so that the SEC knows that, hey, there's no market manipulation. People are going to FOMO into Bitcoin. It's going to be Bitcoin season. And when that happens, people will sell their altcoins and go into Bitcoin, and this thing will cause the altcoins to bleed. You're not going to sit and hold an altcoin that's not moving when Bitcoin is doing Bitcoin spot ETF, and all of a sudden huge amounts of money get pumped into Bitcoin. You're not going to recommend MEXC. That exchange has been amazing. It's got some really small cap coins, but the money's going to move from Kucoin to other exchanges in the US. Just remember, we're going to follow the money flow. I'm going to keep you guys updated. And a lot of things are going to be very clear by the end of this week. Saturday, Sunday, maybe Monday. The most important thing is, while this thing's headed higher, these altcoins underperform. If you go over to CoinMarketCap, for example, if you look at the green coins, there are 2 double-digit gainers, Compound and Solana. But if you just sorted this by the 7-day chart, like if you're shorting this market, like I'm teaching people to do right now, like we are killing it as these coins get crushed. And that's what it's all about. We are traders. We make money no matter which direction the price action moves. And there's a point in life where no one else is going to do this for you. You have to make a decision to change your life forever. If you like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.